Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest and most versatile fields of engineering. It focuses on designing, analyzing, and building machines, mechanical systems, and thermal systems. From simple tools like levers and pulleys to advanced technologies like cars and airplanes, mechanical engineers play a key role in shaping the machines that power our world. These engineers work across various industries, including automotive, aerospace, robotics, and energy. They apply principles of physics, materials science, and mathematics to develop and refine machines, ensuring they function safely and efficiently. To bring their ideas to life, they rely on tools like computer-aided design software, 3D printing, and advanced manufacturing techniques for prototyping and production. Beyond just designing machines, mechanical engineers collaborate with clients, engineers, and other stakeholders to create solutions that meet specific needs and constraints. Their work is essential in developing innovative technologies that improve our daily lives. Mechanical engineering is an exciting and rewarding field with endless career opportunities. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more videos as we dive into other branches of engineering and the groundbreaking work engineers do every day.